Fiers, Femme, Shamika, whichever one you want to call me. And today I'm in my kitchen because I have to make me some more Calendula Salve for my skin. I've been using it for my TSW. It's been helping me a lot. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to make that. What we need to make this, I got this off of Amazon. We got the beeswax. I have some Calendula. I will link everything in the description box below. I buy the Calendula from Amazon as well. Soaked it in grapeseed and it's been in the closet for about 3 weeks.
Since the cleanse.
Oh, since August 26th. So it's been in there since August 26th, and now we're gonna do it on the stove. And then something else you'll need is some empty containers. I could link some containers down below the right size. I have bought the wrong size, but I mean, they're not the wrong size, but I wish it was a little bigger. So these are the ones we got off of Amazon. And then we always keep containers anytime we had like if my mom uses face creams or just from other things. So we have like these, we're gonna fill them up. This one. So just little containers that are not clear and see-through, because when it's too see-through, it takes away from like the properties of what you're trying to get to put on your skin. And then she also soaked some lavender. I add that into some of my mixture because after reading about it, I heard that it could help with my skin. Like I could put it on top of my skin. I drink it a lot, but I didn't know that I could put it on top of my skin because I was having problems. So I'm gonna add some to different containers. Okay, so let's get into it. First of all, you're gonna have your pot and this thing. You're gonna have this down in the pot so that it could warm it. It's called like a double broiler, I believe. I'll put the right things on the screen if it's wrong, and everything will be in the description box below. I'm gonna take this whole thing and pour it into this and strain it at first. So pour it in, get all of it out, and then you're gonna squeeze it down to make sure that all the oil comes out of it, like the infused oil. You wanna make sure you get everything that's sucked up in the flowers and everything, so that, you know, it'll be worth it when you're putting it on your skin, because that was the point of infusing it for that long. You can use a mesh cloth. I don't have a mesh cloth. And you could also use some people use stockings, like a light stocking, and squeeze it, but I'd rather just do it this way. It worked out for me the last time, so if it ain't broke, I don't need to fix it. I'm gonna strain the lavender. You mix them. I'll use one of these spoons and I measure out my beeswax. The last time I used two spoonfuls and a half. So what you're gonna do is pour this entire thing into the container. I try to make sure I get everything. Don't want to waste. A drip drop. And then you put your beeswax in. You don't necessarily have to do as much as I'm doing if you don't want, but this is what helps it stay hard. And beeswax is actually good for your hair, skins, and nail as well. I will definitely have some information on the screen. I'll definitely have some information on the screen that will basically for the properties that you get from it. Sorry, my train of thought got lost. I know I put 3 this time because it seems like a lot. I'm gonna stop now. And then you slowly like mix it. as just keep mixing it so that it can melt.
Okay, so let's find out the benefits of calendula for skin. Calendula and eczema go hand in hand, and this natural oil is great for improving the quality and appearance of the skin. It has antifungal properties, it's anti-inflammatory, has antibacterial properties, it's effective in reducing skin inflammation, it soothes itchy symptoms, it's moisturizing, it can protect your skin from external aggressors, it keeps your skin healthy, and it can firm your skin.
Some of the lavender got in, but that's okay. And it smells so good. Like at night when I put this on my body, it helps me sleep. Like I put it in my hair and everything because I'm growing my hair back. I'll have a video coming with you know, how long my hair is so far and what I've been using to help keep it moisturized and stuff. But this is one of the key components that I put in my hair all the time, especially since it's so short. Okay, I'm going to turn it off now since all the beeswax is gone, and then I'm going to let it cool for a little bit and we'll add it to the containers. Okay, so now I'm going to pour the concoction in here, the Calendula Salve. We'll start with the small one. This is how it looks when I first pour it into the containers. We have those little ones, we have this one, the big one, and then we have that one. And then they're gonna cool. They take about 5 to 10 minutes to cool. They cool really quickly. And then we'll just cover them up and take them to our prospective rooms. I hope you guys enjoyed this salve. It really has been helping me during my time. I started using the salve during a month. I think the end of month 6, going into 7. So I've been using it for like a month now, and it's really been assisting with, like, after I did the no moisture treatment, just coming back to using something. I wanted to use something that was more natural and wasn't going to affect my body in a negative way. So after doing my research and realizing that I was already drinking this flower, I decided to try to use it for my body, and it's been doing wonders for me. So if you're at that point with your TSW, eczema, or anything like that, you can use this for just regular eczema as well, or just anybody who doesn't, like, you don't have anything on your skin, you just want something that's natural and clean. This is something you can do. But it has helped me throughout my situation. It helped smooth my skin out, it helped give it moisture, and it wasn't too heavy. So I'm hoping this can help you guys, and everything that you need will be in the description box below. And yeah, remember to subscribe, like, share, send this to somebody that you think might be into making this. And have a good day, have a good night, have a good evening, and I'll see you next time. Later.